Sandtroopers.com. Never imitating, always innovating, bringing you the latest coverage in the Star Wars galaxy.
Welcome, troopers, to another edition of Sandwatch Live. Today we'll be taking a look at the remote-controlled Republic gunship from Hasbro. The easy-to-fly indoor RC vehicle includes one of the most important things. Always read the directions. Here we got a quick start guide. One thing you want to be sure about, troopers, is just make sure you have up that is labeled on the cord and up that is labeled on the gunship, and make sure you plug them in evenly with the ship switch to off, and you'll also leave the control switch to off before, after you plug it in, and then you switch it on to begin charging. And again, after 20-30 minutes we should be in business, so stay tuned. After we go through the charging, we have how to operate the vehicle. Choose an appropriate flight area. Since we're in Industrial's basement and not mine, I'm not going to concern with that rule too much, but they do recommend the size to be over 10 feet wide. We don't quite have that, but we're just finishing up powering up here and we're about to take flight. Dude, don't get so shook, alright?
Dude, this is my stuff. I don't want you knocking my stuff over, alright? I know we're supposed to be having fun. Don't knock my stuff over like I just did. Thanks. You got me all nervous. Don't knock it over.
Alright, dude. Quit acting like Cameron on Ferris Bueller. It's alright. I'm a trained pilot.
Alright, let's have some fun.
Oh!
That is awesome.
Hold on, are we still?
I don't know if that's $40 awesome, but
You gotta be able to maintain better control. Hang on. Oh,
well,
it says after you crash it, you gotta reset it.
well, isn't it gonna crash all the time?
I guess so, but come on. Here we go. Let's give her another rip. Here, we gotta have it like, I think it's gotta like.
Go. Hey!
Alright, go put it back. I think I got it now. Now, watch the Republic gunship take flight. No. Oh. Overall, I'm not quite sure the values there, but after learning to pilot the vehicle and actually get it to go where I wanted it to go, flying it up my webmaster's nose, giving myself a beard trim, and nearly destroying his collection room here, I must say that it's definitely an entertaining little toy that if you do find it and you do decide you want to spend the money, you're going to enjoy it. United we find.
Oh, that was great.
The Republic Gunship can also serve as a shaving accessory for those of us who need a little afternoon 5 o'clock shadow trimmer.